what has been your experience talking to them about how in their life cycle the role of governance and compliance also needs to change besides business and investments?
So when we talk to these founders or they talk to us about the work when they are big, so then we listen to these journeys of how they started from a room or a garage and then how they cracked the problem and they became big. So the main thing we always hear from them is, especially in Indian scenario, is the compliance which is killing them at a point when they started growing. So first they were operating from a room, they spoke to someone, they were doing their bit, they were developed the best tech or a product which they can. But when they wanted to hit the market and they needed the money, then that compliance hit them. Ki, okay, this is the bucket of things we need to do to complete our dream which we are thinking. So when they wanted to move from a garage to office, then it comes to their mind that labor law compliance is something they have to do. They have to take a SNE registration, they have to have a rent agreement in place. Then they want to hire a big team from 10 to 20 people to 100 and 1,000 people. And then they understand, oh my God, there's so many compliances coming to picture. And maybe they started from an LLP structure, what they say, or just a sole proprietorship structure, and they wanted to build a company, and they merely started from a name registration, and then how things escalated when they went to filings of registrar. And especially funding hits them hard when they start taking funds and they realize the due diligence checklist is such a big checklist, which is more than the code they developed maybe. So that's the story striking, and that's the thing we hear, that what important function is what people like us are living, that half of the creative people in the country and the real entrepreneurs are not even aware that to do a business, they need so much to be done at back end. And which is actually, they think at an administration function, but it's not an administrative function. It's the cost of doing business in India, and this is what will actually fulfill their dream of becoming a listed company, to be in the eyes of public and to especially get funds, like bootstrap say to fund it to a public company. That's the journey of compliance. It hits them hard when they are aware about it.